Working a standard 9-to-5 job was something I knew I didn't want to do.
Paulie, what's up? No, everything's fine. Hey, listen, I quit.
I've been successfully making money online now for over 7 years. Whether you have a full-time job, you're unemployed, or you're just looking to start a side hustle, you can start making money online now no matter how much time you have. Hey guys, Cam here, and in this video, I'm going to provide you with a beginner's guide that includes 5 different ways to make money online. When most people think about starting an online business, they think it's going to require a large financial investment and it's going to take up all their time for them to be successful. Too many entrepreneurs invest everything up front without any experience. This leads them to fail and give up trying. The best way to start making money online right now is by taking advantage of existing opportunities and being consistent while leveraging your time. But listen, at the end of the day, we all have to start somewhere. And if you're a beginner, you should start with proven ideas and methods that will provide you with a solid income stream that doesn't require a large upfront investment. When it comes to making money online without investing any money, the best way to do this is to become a virtual assistant or freelancer. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to perform simple online tasks to become a virtual assistant or provide services to someone else. Those who have existing businesses and are busy performing tasks will usually hire other freelancers to perform simple tasks such as answering emails, responding to customer messages, uploading images, and other easy tasks that anyone with basic tech skills can do. With this online side hustle, you simply just create a profile, you post your availability, and then you determine which tasks you want to perform. Hourly rates depend on what the task is and what the client is willing to pay you. Many freelancers and virtual assistants make up to $60 or more an hour. Even at $30 to $50, this is way better than working at a fast food restaurant.
Not fast food, good food quickly.
Another great method for beginners to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission for each sale. Now, you're probably thinking you need a large following or a lot of website traffic to earn enough commissions, but the truth is that with the right strategy, you can easily make $100 per day without a huge following. The best way to earn an income with affiliate marketing is to post content every week on your social media and promote your affiliate links to any products or services that you like to use or recommend on your profile page or your posts. So if you're already using products that you actually enjoy and that you recommend, simply taking a picture or a small video of you using it can earn a commission. If you're someone who enjoys selling products and knows how to choose the right products to sell, dropshipping might be a great business for you to start. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't have to manage any inventory. With dropshipping, you simply create a website and advertise any products for sale. When a customer places an order, you send the order to a supplier who then ships the product directly to the consumer on your behalf. So you're essentially a middleman connecting the product to the customer and the manufacturer or supplier. Your profit is the difference between the product cost and how much you sell it to the customer for. The easiest way to start a dropshipping store is to use a platform like Shopify. Shopify is the largest e-commerce platform that lets you sell products on a website and many other sales channels like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and more. If you're interested in dropshipping, make sure to check out my Shopify for Beginners video, where I show you a complete step-by-step dropshipping tutorial that includes how to start a dropshipping business. So for beginners, another easy way to start making money online is by starting a blog. Now, when it comes to blogging, it's always best to choose a niche or topic you're actually interested in writing about. Many popular topics or niches that anyone can blog about include topics like dating, relationships, health and fitness, lifestyle, fashion, traveling, and much more. You can make money online from blogging using affiliate marketing, ads, or selling your own products or services. To monetize your blog with ads, you can use Google AdSense, kind of like YouTube, which allows you to place banners and ads throughout your blog and earn money every time a visitor clicks an ad. There's virtually no limit on how much you can earn with a blog, but to earn 6 or 7 figures with a blog, you'll need to have a blog with many articles. And the best way to achieve this is to write at least one blog post every few days. This can be done with as little as 30 minutes to an hour a day of just writing a simple post. Now, starting a blog does not require a large upfront investment. You can start with as little as $2.95 a month using a web hosting service like Bluehost. Now, one of the most lucrative ways to make money online today as a beginner is to create a YouTube channel. Just like I mentioned when starting a blog, you're going to want to find a niche that you're actually interested in and create videos consistently. Now, there's several ways to monetize your YouTube channel, which is where the money comes from. The best way to monetize your YouTube channel include AdSense, which is when you watch an ad or you click on an ad, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to monetize your YouTube channel with AdSense, you have to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to your channel. The fastest way to monetize your YouTube channel is to either promote other products or services of your own or promote others' products through affiliate marketing. If you're promoting someone else's products on your channel, you usually earn a commission on each sale you make through links on your profile page or in the video description with affiliate marketing. Now, even though YouTube can be an extremely profitable platform, having a successful YouTube channel can take some time and dedication, but ultimately can provide a substantial income. There's been YouTubers now who've made over $100 million.
That's a lot of money.
The great thing about having a YouTube channel is that the content stays online forever once you upload it. So over time, these views are gonna add up and your income can be pretty much limitless. Now there's many ways for beginners to make money online. If you start earning passive income online, you need to start making sure that you're actively working on your business or side hustle consistently. You gotta make sure you're consistent, guys. Now, once you start making a profit, you'll wanna make sure to add affiliate marketing and add a second source of income to your online business. It's important to leverage any tool or resource you can to help you make money online. And there you have it, guys. That's my list of recommended methods for beginners to use to make money online. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and you share it with anyone you think would be interested in learning to make money online. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video.